Now that we've unboxed our trainer, let's get started. Your trainer comes fully assembled with the exception of if you purchase the HMI option. That's right, even though we're working with servo drives, we don't need 230-volt, we don't need three-phase power. This plugs directly into a 120-volt wall outlet. If you purchase your HMI, when you purchase your Kinetix trainer, then it'll come pre-installed with this harness. But it's really easy to install later as well. The wires on the harness are color-coded. Blue will be the plus 24 volt, the blue with a stripe will be the minus 24, and the green will be the ground. And those will simply plug in right here. So our left set of terminals are our plus 24 volt, our right set of terminals are the minus 24 volt, and the green will be the ground. Then we'll plug our Ethernet cable into the switch. And before you install it on the leg, plug the cables in. It's much easier to do while it's in your hand. We'll just plug the Ethernet cable in, and we'll plug our power cable in. And then we're gonna pop this end cap off of the right leg. We'll slide it over and reinstall the leg. With the Kinetix trainer, there are two ways you can get started. I know a lot of you just want to learn about servos and motors, so you can go directly to the Kinetix lessons and get started there. But also remember, this does the basic Studio 5000 lessons as well. And the first one will be your wiring enough to get started exercise, which the Kinetix lessons use also. So whichever way you choose, I've created this playlist right here to get you started.